not working. Fix for Xbox, PS5, and PC. Steps. Flip mic down, flip to mute off, and check mute button. Charge headset to 50%. Repair. Xbox, press console, pair, hold headset pair until LED pulses. Wait for solid. PS5 PC. USB TX. Plug transmitter set switch to correct console. Hold pair on both until solid. Update firmware via Turtle Beach Audio Hub, PC, Mac. Console settings. Xbox. Settings. Devices. Audio. Headset mic on. Headset format 2. Stereo Windows Sonic. Mic monitoring mid. PS5. Settings. Sound. Input. USB headset. Output. USB headset. Mic level adjust. PC. Sound. Input. Stealth 600. Default. Privacy mic access on. Disable exclusive mode in device properties. Test in party chat, voice recorder. Hard reset. Hold mode plus, Bluetooth or power. 20 seconds, model dependent. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.